करना पड़ेगा, तभी भ्रष्टाचार दूर होगा। भ्रष्टाचारियों की खौफ होगा कि अगर हमने भ्रष्टाचार किया तो हम जेल जाएंगे।
Initially ridiculed and written off as a featherweight non-contestant, the only thing Arvind Kejriwal has had a badge of honor was the success of his anti-corruption movement.
नेता का पैसा नहीं है, ये किसी अफसर का पैसा नहीं है, ये सारा हमारा पैसा है। इस देश का मालिक कौन है? हम एक ही सरकार है। छोटी चीजें साफ करने के लिए आपके बीच में आए।
But that too had an overarching persona of Anna Hazare. But the Delhi elections changed that. With 28 seats, Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party not only created history but ushered politics with the hope of change.
अभी तो ये शुरुआत है। अभी तो केवल आम आदमी की सरकार बनी है। असली लड़ाई अभी बहुत लंबी है और ये लड़ाई हम लोग नहीं लड़ सकते। ये अरविंद केजरीवाल अकेले नहीं लड़ सकता। हम 6 लोग 7 लोग मिलकर ये लड़ाई नहीं लड़ सकते। लेकिन मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि अगर दिल्ली के 1.5 करोड़ लोग इकट्ठे हो जाएं तो इस देश से, दिल्ली से भ्रष्टाचार हम दूर कर सकते हैं, मिलकर भ्रष्टाचार दूर कर सकते हैं।
In 18 months, the Aam Aadmi Party boasts of a membership of over 50 lakhs. But more than that, it has brought in debutants that represent a crop of informed Indians who want to be a part of political narrative.
Yes, I think the best thing about AAP is the epidemic of younger people, older people who see politics as a possibility, as politics as a challenge. And in that sense, for the first time, a lot of Indians have discovered politics in the last 1 year. And I think that's beautiful because democracy is being reinvented, democracy is being enjoyed, and for the first time you have citizens seeing politics as a vocation. And I think that's beautiful.
Be it former Infosys CFO V. Balakrishnan or former journalist Anita Pratap. Add to that list Babu Matthew and Anand Kumar, both professors wanting to be a part of the Aam Aadmi change. Or the infamous shoe thrower Jarnail Singh, activist Medha Patkar, banker Meera Sanyal. The party seems to be a motley crew that represents an urban India itching to change the contours of the political class. While it has the right amount of star power too, even that has been used to bereft of the celebritydom, ensuring that a personal connect is not missing. Accessibility with the voter remains the mantra. So when the Aam Aadmi touch was seen campaigning door to door or the free of frills train journeys, the comparison was made to rivals using choppers and the latest technology to put across their message to the same votary.
मैडम सोनिया
ऐसे आदमी को चुनने से क्या फायदा कि आपको कहा जाए देखो देखो वो हेलीकॉप्टर जा रहा है, उसमें राहुल गांधी बैठा है, बस दर्शन कर लो हेलीकॉप्टर के। ऐसे आदमी को चुनने से क्या फायदा?
In a polity where dynasty and power are the prerequisites to be taken seriously, Kejriwal redefined the criteria to be admitted into the big league. Bureau Report, Headlines Today. When Kejriwal paraded through Varanasi amid a sea of white, the political weapon that could be caught from a distance was the caps, the white Gandhi caps with the branding of the party in place. None of the Aam Aadmi Party members are seen without the Gandhi cap. A clever throwback to the Gandhi cap of freedom struggle is not missed on most. Add that to their whole pitch of hope and changing status quo, and it is clear that the Aam Aadmi Party is making its political pitch into a freedom fight redux.
इंसान का इंसान से हो
भाईचारा यही पैगाम हमारा, यही पैगाम हमारा।
Considering the germination of the party was with the India Against Corruption movement that had Gandhian and freedom fighter Anna Hazare as its mascot and leader. The freedom Arvind Kejriwal speaks of is from corruption and the VIP culture.
अब ये राजनीति नहीं चलेगी कि हेलीकॉप्टर से आए, स्टेज पे उतरे, भाषण दिया और फिर चले गए।
The pitch to save the country.
पिछले 65 साल से हमारे देश के अंदर जो व्यवस्था बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी, बहुजन समाजवादी पार्टी, ये जितनी पार्टियां हैं, ये सारी की सारी पार्टियां एक ही व्यवस्था का हिस्सा है दोस्तों।
The attempt to make it sound like a cry for freedom. From travelling in a Wagoner, almost making it like a new age Aam Aadmi Dandi March, to fighting aggression with what it claims is zero violence, the Aam Aadmi Party has tried to give its political campaign the effect of a satyagrah, a kranti, a revolution. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
क्या मुझे वाराणसी से नरेंद्र मोदी जी के खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ना चाहिए? मैं ये चुनौती स्वीकार करने के लिए तैयार हूं।
When Arvind Kejriwal asked the people of Varanasi whether he should stand against Modi, the decision perhaps had already been made by the think tank of the party.
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
हम सब लोगों को मिलकर दिल्ली को बदलना है। हम एक कसम खा के जाएंगे यहाँ से, और वो कसम मैं खिलाऊंगा आप सब लोगों को। हम ये कसम खाएंगे कि हम जिंदगी में कभी रिश्वत नहीं लेंगे, रिश्वत नहीं देंगे।
But it was true to the spirit of the party, as Kejriwal would say, and in the line with his theatrics, if you were to ask his political opponents. After all, we saw the referendum Aam Aadmi Party style, even before it formed the government in Delhi, asking its voters if they wanted him to form the government despite not having the numbers. It is a smart strategic move to make the voters part of the campaign process. Innovative sourcing of funds to ensure that the party coffers are filling with money transactions that are transparent and involve the voters directly.
भ्रष्टाचार भगाएंगे हम झाड़ू से, भ्रष्टाचार भगाएंगे हम झाड़ू से, जनलोकपाल लाएंगे हम झाड़ू से, जनलोकपाल लाएंगे हम झाड़ू से, दिल्ली सुंदर बनाएंगे हम झाड़ू से, दिल्ली सुंदर बनाएंगे हम झाड़ू से।
Interactivity with voters at a different level.
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे बसंती चोला, जिस चोले को पहन शिवाजी खेले अपनी जान पे, खेले अपनी जान पे, जिसे पहन झांसी की रानी मिट गई अपनी यान पे, आज उसी को पहन के निकला, आज उसी को पहन के निकला ये मस्तों का टोला। ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माई रंग दे बसंती चोला।
Using music to deliver its message and adding the celebrity quotient to its advantage, the Aam Aadmi Party has been able to convey its message in a language that few other political parties have spoken in. Bureau Report, Headlines Today. As he sat meditating at Mahatma Gandhi's memorial, minutes after being attacked for the 5th time during the 2014 campaign, a swollen-faced Arvind Kejriwal had ensured that his strategy of taking effective political lessons from the freedom struggle were at display. Right from the time when he began the 2014 campaign with the road show in Gujarat, Kejriwal, fresh from the success of his dharna politics in Delhi,
अगर गाड़ी पे स्टिकर लगाए तो हम इलेक्शन कैंपेनिंग कर रहे हैं, मैंने कहा तब रोक लीजिए, लेकिन हमारी किसी गाड़ी पे स्टिकर नहीं है। मैंने कहा जो स्टिकर वाली गाड़ी है उसको रोक लीजिए, बाकी को आप नहीं रोक सकते, बाकी मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट में नहीं आती हैं, तो उन्होंने छोड़ दिया। अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं।
I think the dharna has become the model of politics at two levels. One, it captures a picture of the satyagrahi. He tries to raise and focus on an issue, but it also reminds you that even after the problem has been legislated, empowerment is important.
even when his supporters marched to the BJP headquarters against his arrest, the tone and tenor was more of a dharna than an altercation. At least that's what the Aam Aadmi Party wanted you to believe.
जी मुझे लगता है हमें बिल्कुल सोचना पड़ेगा अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में, किस तरह से हमारी रणनीति रही है, और एक बहुत ही चिंतन की इसको लेकर ज़रूरत है। और कुछ हमारे ऐसे फैसले हुए, हमें लगा वो फैसले सही हैं, लेकिन शायद लोगों को नागवार गुजरे, शायद हम जनता को विश्वास नहीं दिला पाए अपने फैसलों का, या हमने कुछ जल्दबाजी कर ली। तो हमें और वक्त लेना चाहिए था, क्योंकि वो जो कम्युनिकेट करना था वो बात शायद ठीक से नहीं हो पाई। यानी जिस तरह से हमें लगता है कि हमें और टाइम देना चाहिए था जनता को विश्वास में लेने के लिए, उनको, ताकि वो एकदम से चौंकते नहीं। तो हमें लगा हम सिद्धांतों के आधार पर जा रहे हैं, लोग समझ जाएंगे, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं इसमें हमें और सोचना चाहिए था, थोड़ा और वक्त देना चाहिए था।
But when the BJP tried the dharna model, Kejriwal was the first to mock it, saying campaigns are not about dharnas. In this campaign, the dharnas were largely replaced by marches, knowing well that it makes more sense to hold a dharna when you have a government to protest against. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
सांप्रदायिकता को मैं भ्रष्टाचार से ज्यादा बड़ी समस्या मानता हूँ।
With this comment, it was clear that from an anti-corruption pitch and an anti-Congress focus, Aam Aadmi Party was shifting to an anti-Modi, anti-Congress pitch.
मैं उनको कहना चाहता हूं कि हम चुनाव लड़ने नहीं जा रहे, मोदी को हराने जा रहे हैं वहां पर।
But throughout its campaign, be it a high-voltage one-through caste-ridden Haryana or its door-to-door campaign in Uttar Pradesh, where caste largely determines your ballot choice, the Aam Aadmi Party has focused on development than with the C word.
No, in fact, it has done something more interesting. It has created a more healthy attitude to religion and caste. It has tried to look at them as problems to be solved, as perspectives to be analyzed, and as issues which must be confronted. In taking a normal attitude to the two things, I think it has become much more interesting. Arvind Kejriwal has no problems taking a dip in the Ganges. He has no problems talking to the Khap Panchayats and questioning them. This is, I think, something which is healthy instead of the standard political correctness that we see all over Delhi.
Even when the entire political debate veered around neat Rajniti and the twist both political parties gave to it.
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की बात से आजकल ये लगता है कि चुनाव का नतीजा तो आ चुका है और वे सिंहासन पर बैठ करें।
मैडम सोनिया जी, आपने ऊंच नीच की राजनीति की चर्चा शुरू की है।
Arvind Kejriwal and his motley crew chose to stay away from it. In a country where caste still remains a huge factor in determining political choices, would Aam Aadmi Party's strategy work? Going by the success of this group of people, you can never say never. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.